Hi everybody, it's Priscilla here. Just wanted to check in real quick, let you all know that things are still moving forward with my plans. I wanted to show you that I started my project board right back here, as you can see. This is where I'm tracking the next several months. So here's April, May, June, July, all the way through November. November is D month. It's when, the lease ends. So I'm really excited because I feel now like that I have a plan, that I have it documented, that things are really going to be moving. I've been telling everybody that I come in contact with that this is my plan because in order to make it a reality, you have to state it and say it out loud and confirm that that's what you're going to do. So I've been doing that. I've been selling things. My dining room is now empty. And there's Darcy. Hi, Darcy. And I've sold a couple other pieces of furniture. I'm having really good luck on the Facebook Marketplace as well as Let Go. And just keep doing that and hopefully get some other things cleaned out of storage and things like that over the next few months. But just wanted to do a real quick check-in, say hello to everybody, and keep praying for me, keep sending those happy thoughts my way so that this journey actually becomes a reality, and I'll be able to see a lot of you soon, I hope. Anyway, have a great day, be blessed, and take care. Bye, peeps.